try. We're gonna try Kiss Burn today. It's like a Japanese snack. I already opened it. It looks like a beef jerky.
And it stinks so badly. You would not want to eat this. But she's going to try it. It's not to be good.
Eat it with the noodle.
And it was a little hard. Really hard. But how was it? Pretty bad?
Disgusting.
Disgusting, we say. Disgusting. Now that's a hit for you.
She wants to make a YouTube channel. Alright, baby, your turn. It ain't hot at all.
Okay. They say you gotta try everything once, right?
Yes, you
All right.
do.
Hold this for me, please.
Yes.
Get a cracker.
Get ready to try it, dear.
Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi, right?
Yeah, tasty.
Yep. All right, here we go.
Now, how is it? Salty, you say?
I don't think I like this.
Now try it without nothing. Just try it.
Okay. There goes nothing.
It's disgusting.
You do not want to eat this yummy
It's
food.
disgusting.
Well, I would say it's yummy. Now, that's a bad hit for you. Now, I don't
How
know.
was it, Theo Kareem?
Go ahead, say it for me.
Now, I don't know.
It was what?
I don't know why it was terrible, but whoever made this yummy tweet, I will say it was yummy.
Look at Kareem.
Nailed it.
It was pretty okay, but this yummy tweet is not for you. But wise answer asks to you.
Signing off on Kiss Burn. Cut.
They cut, Ava.
Cut.